Hey Josh, Dr. Marvin here. Just wanted to show you where that shared drive is on Google. So you'll probably it's in my drive, but I've shared it with you. So you might have to go to shared with me instead to see it. But then too, you can just search maybe AFC, and you should be able to find that folder. Um, so on my drive here. I can show you this. So I've already shared it with you. So you should be all set that way. Um, so then once you're in the folder, what you're going to see is like in the minutes in last school year, here's the attendance sheet that was being used. So you can just kind of open that up, save it over into the minutes for this academic year. So you see there's nothing in there just yet. Um, and so you can start to take attendance and roll call like Brandon was doing last year. And then two, in the minutes in this folder, you actually see the minutes for each of the different meetings. And all Brandon would do is kind of work with the agenda. So here's the meeting agenda for tomorrow's meeting. And then just he would just kind of save this over as the minute file and then just kind of add whatever we talked about. And then if there was anything kind of like, outside of that, just make notes on that and then save it as the minutes. And then as you can see on this agenda, we're going to start approving the minutes at each meeting, just so that everybody's on the same page with where we're at and where we're headed. So take a look at that, and hopefully that helps out. And any questions, let me know. Thanks so much.